Hi everyone, my name is Giles Fox. I'm from Ashland, Kansas. I'm 24 years old and I graduated from Fort Hays State University um, in 2017. Things about me, some of my interests are baseball. I really like baseball, all sports actually, but baseball is probably my favorite. Also, math and physics. Those were my two degrees that I graduated from Fort Hays with, and so I'm really interested in those two as well. Um, I'm also pretty interested in economics, how that stuff works, and a lot of things that I don't understand. I just really like to get into and learn more about. I'm a math, physics, social studies, and physical education teacher at Ashland High School. It's a small, classified as a 1A in Ashland, Kansas. Uh, Very small school, about 700 people in a town. Average class size about 15 to 17, 15 probably. Short-term goals. I hope to attain a master's in education and then 18 hours in graduate math courses or an actual master's in math. Not sure about that yet. Long term, hope to get a building level and possibly district level endorsement. Also, over the long term, hope to take over the family farm with my brother. We have a small farm down here, and growing up on it, I enjoyed working on it. I mean, I think it instilled a lot of good values. Um, Also, I'd like to, in the long term, own a facility to privately instruct pitchers for in baseball, and then also throwers and uh, track and field, the sport of track and field. So. In this course, I hope to gain an awareness of what other schools have done to innovate their curriculum and the best way to change or revamp the curriculum, like what should be changed first, and then, I mean, over what time period, stuff like that. And then finally, to just accumulate a lot of useful ideas from schools around the world. Um, I think that's really interesting because all I have, my only scope has been from small town, Southwest Kansas. So nice to meet you all. Thank you.